first real snowstorm in upstate New York. We just come down off the mountain. We don't have four-wheel drive. It was hairy. We were sliding all over. But we got her back under control. Thank God the plow came up too.
The road was so slippery to the point where you could get out and literally snowboard or ski down it.
It's the wet, tacky snow, so it turns into black ice as soon as you drive on it. This has already been plowed once, and you can't even really tell.
But when we started driving earlier, half the roads were no snow, and now all of a sudden, boom,
Yeah.
snow everywhere.
Yeah, it is hairy, I'll tell you that. I'm sweating.
There's
I got the windows open.
actually a pretty cool old bus up towards that way. Was for sale down the road from our house, but somebody must have bought it.
Oh yeah, that bus.
Yep. This is a very nice house.
This is a steep hill too, so we're gonna go nice and slow. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Looks good in the winter.
Look at that dog.
He's playing.
Oh boy. I like the looks of this. I didn't think there was any more hills.
You just go down that way to the fire department. At least the fire department's at the end of the street.
Does it go to the right up here?
Yep. We also don't have our car right now, guys. It's at home. We borrowed my mother-in-law's car, which is pretty decent when there's only a drift of snow, but in this stuff
Yeah, it's good in regular snow, but not this wet,
in
heavy
this
snow.
stuff it's not that good. But I give her credit. She's getting through it. We also have to be very careful because
We were sliding into the ditch and everything.
our daughter's in the car also.
Yeah.
Enjoying our little 2-hour drive through the snow. It's a pretty nice cabin up in there. Some old cars. There's an old Bug, Volkswagen Bug, I think. Looks like nobody lives in that house.
Pretty steep. Somebody's behind me.
They're going just as slow as you.
Yeah. They got four-wheel drive too. Is that tractor on the road? No.